Welcome to BLUETTI Support. Today we're taking a quick tour of your new go-to for lightweight camping and day-to-day peace of mind, the Elite 100 V2. It pushes the limits of what a 1 kilowatt-hour portable powerhouse can do. Compared to the AC 180, it's lighter, smaller, and way easier to grab and go. No heavy lifting, no sweat. Built for versatility, the Elite 100 V2 comes equipped with a wide range of ports, offering 11 outputs, and delivers a steady 1800-watt AC output, plenty for almost anything you plug in. Charging is easy breezy. The Turbo Boost tech rockets you to 80% in just 45 minutes on 1200 watts AC. Prefer sunshine? A full solar charge takes about 70 minutes. And if you're on the road, Charger One tops you up in 1.8 hours, 6 times faster than a typical car charger. Worried about safety? Don't be. The Elite 100 V2 runs on ultra-stable lithium iron phosphate batteries, built to last over 4,000 cycles, or around 10 years of daily use. And in silent charging mode, the fan noise drops to just 30 decibels. It's quiet enough to let you drift off in peace. The latest BLUETTI app now goes beyond Bluetooth. Enjoy full remote control via Wi-Fi right from your phone. We've also added smart power reminders. Get notified when your battery is fully charged or running low, so you're never caught off guard. Looking for more flexibility? The new custom charging mode lets you adjust the AC input current from 1 to 10 amps. Charge quickly or go easy, it's up to you. And when the power goes out, no worries. With System Switch Recovery, your unit remembers its output status and automatically powers your devices back on when electricity returns. Plus, the upgraded UPS kicks in within just 10 milliseconds during outages, keeping your important devices running without missing a beat. Lighter, faster, and smarter. That's the Elite 100 V2. Whether you're heading off the grid or need reliable backup at home, it's the lightweight power you can count on. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and supports. See you next time.